All good. Namaste to all of you. You have to be on your mats at 7 and you need to stretch wherever you're feeling any tightness before we begin the session. All right? Today we are doing tight hamstrings. Why do they happen? Because, of course, it's the wrong movements that we are doing repetitively on our body. Muscle imbalances. When we were young, we did not learn flexibility. We weren't flexible. We weren't doing exercises to create that. And as we grew older, we kept sitting longer. All right, a lot of exercises like running and all also can create a lot of tight hamstrings till you stretch them out. Now stay there and take the front leg, the top leg sideways and just keep pulling, coming on your tummy. Right, so my foot is like this. I'm holding, I've put it on the floor and I'm stretching it out, holding the strap. And I'm trying to push my right pelvis down. So maybe I look over my left. Breathe deep. Enjoy the opening. And gently take this same foot and take it back and holding it with the strap in the back. Okay? And all you're going to do is pull and back. Pull through the strap and then push the leg. So pull the strap with your hand and then with your foot you're pushing back. And again pushing back. Alright, let's begin 10 times. 1, 2, 3. You can keep your head down or keep it lifted, your choice. Push. 1. And relax. Relax the leg. And come to your other side. For the other side. I'm going to come on this side. Alright. On your elbow. If you want, you can always be on the elbow on the cushion. Okay? Take the strap on your left foot. Alright? And now rather than the hips being back, try to squeeze the buttocks and push your chest forward. Straighten the bottom leg. And the toes and the feet are flexing upward. So squeeze 1 and back. 2, you can lean down, the waist is also lengthening, or you can lift up. Breathe. 4. 5. 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, holding the strap, take the left foot over and drop it on the earth and twist the body. Keep pulling through the strap and gaze to the right so that you're trying to push these buttons down. It's not lifting. Even if it's lifting, just moving it towards the floor. And gently take the leg, left leg, take it to the back. Take it to the back, hold the strap and just pull towards you and then make the leg push away. Pull your opening through the front thigh. Keep the squeeze in the buttocks. I can't stress that enough. This, as you are pulling, it really stretches out your quadricep, which is the largest, tightest muscle, the front of the thigh. So as you pull in, you're stretching the front of the thigh. And then as you're using your foot to push back, you're engaging the back of the legs as well. So stretch and strength. Stretch and strength. 2 more. Stretch, strength, stretch, and strength. Release. Release the strap. Take your cushion under your stomach and just drop down. Just relax. There's a lot of work that's been done on the back of the legs right now. Really relax and reap the benefits of your practice. And gently come up, just like so. Okie dokes, we're going to sit on our buttocks, I just want to see the, so you're going to sit again on a cushion, very important to sit on the cushion here, and straighten the legs. Okay. We're first going to do one leg at a time. So take the right foot. We're going to do Janu Shirshasana. Right foot presses into your left. Now, taking your strap on the ball of the foot, you're pulling. Just like this. Try to straighten your spine. A lot of us are like this, so that's why I'm making you sit on a cushion and then start to lift your body up. Start to feel your spine is lifting up. Holding the strap, flex your feet and pull the strap towards you rather than having the shoulders like this. Pull the shoulders, open the chest. Really try to lift up through the back. And then using your arms only if you want, and take it to the next level. Move the elbows out, move down. Just you can do this a few times. If the back of your knee hurts, like I've told you earlier in the classes, put a little small roll towel. You should have it with you. Whenever you're feeling that you need it, that roll towel creates space in your knee. And release. Release the strap. Gently change the leg, straighten the right leg, bend the left leg. Again, the strap, pull the outer edge of that strap more so your feet are square. Stretch the spine. There should be no rounding. If there is rounding, that means you're moving, so you have to get your hands further closer to the strap and then pull the shoulders back. This in itself is a very deep, nice opening. You don't need to move forward. You only move forward when this becomes easier, correct? Like if this is only so hard, what's the point of trying to go deeper into it? So breathe in this. Just some of you, the others will stay. If you want to rock it a little back and forth. And you can always roll forward. Whichever position you want to take for 5 deep breaths. And gently come up.